let's make turkey stew. I'm gonna add the washed turkey. Now add salt, seasoning cubes, curry powder, thyme, granulated garlic, and all-purpose seasoning. 1 bay leaf. Stir and allow it to cook. These bad boys, it doesn't take time to cook, so the turkey has cooked properly. Look at that. At this point, you can grill, fry, or air fry. I'm not doing any of those. Here is my cooked pepper mix, tomato, tatashe, and all that, and my chopped onion. Now let's start cooking. Add oil in your pot. Now add your chopped onion and thyme, a little bit of curry powder. I'll be using fresh as well. Now stir and allow it to fry. Now I'm going to add tomato paste. Stir and allow it to fry. Well fried. As you can see, it looks like pebbles now. I'm going to add my cooked pepper mix. Add some seasoning cubes, paprika powder. Stir and allow it to fry. Now let's check on the stew. It has fried really well. Now I'm going to add my proteins. I'm going to add shaki and liver. Now stir. Add more water, that will be enough for your stew. Stir, cover, and allow to cook. Don't forget to taste for salt. I shall not forget my curry leaves. Look at that. I'm going to add my curry leaves. Stir. That aroma, oh my word. Our stew is ready. Look at that. Look at that. And done. It's done. I'm done cooking.